Hi, mathematicians. Remember how we played the game Two-Fisted Pennies and we had the pennies in the math hands? Well, today we're playing a game kind of like that called Penny Plate. Here are the rules. Player 1 turns the plate upside down. Then the player is going to hide some pennies under the plate and put the remaining pennies on top of the plate. Player 2 counts the pennies on top of the plate. Then they have to figure out how many pennies are hidden under the plate. If the number is correct, player 2 gets a point. The players trade roles and repeat steps 1 and 2. Each player can keep a tally of his or her points. The first player to get to 5 points is the winner. So you need 10 pennies in a plate. I am doing a piece of paper. Pretty close, right? So I'm going to hide some under, and we'll just test it out. All right, now I'm going to put down my fake plate. Okay. This is how many pennies I have. I have 2 on top. How many do you think are underneath my plate? Now remember, there's 10 pennies in total. So you could figure this out by counting on. You could use some math strategies like your hands. So I'm going to use my hands for this first one. If I have 2 on top of the plate, which is really my piece of paper, I'm going to put down 2 fingers. 1, 2. How many fingers do I have up still? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers are left up. Let's check. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My prediction was correct. Let's play another round. All right, mathematicians, I have hidden some pennies underneath my plate, and I have some on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies on top. How many do you think are under the plate? Now remember, they must total 10. I'll give you a second to think about it. If you guessed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you'd be correct. There are 5 under the plate. Let's play again. Right, mathematicians, I have hidden some pennies. I need to count how many are on top of the plate to figure out what strategy I could use next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pennies. I think I'm going to try counting on. So when you count on, you say that first number, so our 7, I'm going to stretch it out. I'm going to go 7, and I'm going to count till I get to 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, when I counted on, I'm holding up 3 fingers. I think there's 3 pennies that are hidden. Was I correct? Yes, I had 3 pennies. That is how you play the game Penny Plate. Now, I should have been keeping tally for each time I won, but that would be 3 rounds, so 3 tallies. Let me put 3 tallies on my paper. Okay, I'm going to do my 3 tallies. 1, 2, 3. Now, the first player to 5 wins. So if you're playing at home, you could try to trick your parents. All right, I'm going to reset up. All right, I only have 1 lonesome penny here on top of the plate. And if I know 10, there's 10 altogether. How could I figure this out? 9 plus 1 equals 10. So if I have a 1 here, what would I have underneath? 1 plus what number equals 10? I need to think about a turnaround fact for that. Did you say 9? Yes, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there was 9 underneath. Great job. That's another tally. Okay, one more round. I have 4 pennies here on top. I counted them. I saw them in groups of 2. So I went 2, 4. Now how many pennies are underneath if I have 4? I think I'm going to draw a picture. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I know in a 10 frame, I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think using a math strategy of drawing a picture and using the 10 frame, I have 6 under. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. How does the poem go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shuts the door. I'd be the winner. Thanks for playing Penny Plate.